All right, today is March 25th, 2023, and I am installing my clutch and brake assembly back into my dash, and I'll show you the parts. So here's the brake assembly. I already have videos on disassembly and rebuilt, so I've already painted it up, cleaned it up, put new bushings in there, and that's done. Got the arm braces all cleaned up and painted, all ready to go. Got my nuts and bolts here. So I'm going to process and let's get this sucker back in. All right. One of the first things that I'm going to do is seal the firewall on this side. So I just use this Eastwood flexible strip caulking. It's really cool to use. I just used it on sealing the firewall for my gas pedal. So you just warm up it in the sun a little bit, warms it pretty good. It's really flexible, safe to use. So what I'm going to do is where the bracket here, this bolts onto the inside of the firewall. So I'm just going to put caulking where this touches the firewall. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to pause it real quick. All right, so real simple. Put some putty around the holes like that, and then when I put it on, bolt it down, it'll smash out, and then you just trim off the excess. All right, so first off, the bracket. So when you put it in the firewall, make sure that you put the brake rod through the hole. Otherwise, you're gonna regret it. So put the holes, and the brake rod goes through the larger hole in the firewall. Well, I got even a good piece of wire and hold it for you. So let me be back. All right, there we go. I do that as a temporary hold. All right, and then you've got three of the arms. The one that has the biggest crook in it, it goes in the back right. And there are two that look pretty darn close. All right. So, I mean, if it's original, it might have a different stamp on it. But if you look at it here, this section here, it's a lot flatter. Here's a lot shorter. See the difference? If you buy them, the one that goes on the right has more of a little bit sharper of an angle to it. So this is your left, and this is your right. And once you get your left one in, go ahead and get that clip. Okay. And that will hold. You just push it on. And it'll hold your bracket together. Pull it up. Okay. Don't need your wire anymore. Nuts. These are my originals. All right, and then on the other side, at the firewall. So here's your four. So the top two are for your master cylinder for your brakes, and the lower two are bolts here. So you get your lock washer, your bolts. And here's your brake push rod. Make sure you push that through, because once this bolt on, you can't push it through. You gotta put it through first. All right, and then we'll get those tightened up. And then for the other side, that's it. The other bolts that bolt in underneath, like under here, those are part of the steering wheel column, and the bracket comes up with bolts on it. So you got these braces here, and your unit for your clutch assembly, and that's it. Presto.